Hi, welcome to our IT program, where innovation meets opportunity. We offer comprehensive courses designed to equip you with the skills needed for today's tech-driven world. Start your journey with JavaScript, the language that powers dynamic and interactive web experiences. Dive into Java, the robust foundation behind countless enterprise applications and mobile platforms. Master HTML, the essential building block of every website, and C++, a powerful tool for developing high-performance software and applications. Explore Web Development, a comprehensive course that combines creativity and technical expertise to help you design, code, and launch stunning digital projects. Whether you're looking to build your first website, create cutting-edge software, or start a career in technology, our program offers the tools, guidance, and hands-on experience you need to succeed. Join us and transform your passion for technology into real-world skills. Your future in tech starts here.